Atlanta, Georgia. Local time is 8:40 a.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened so the captain safely parks as Boeing 717 at the gate and turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. This will be your one indication that it is safe for you to move at the cabin. And gather your personal belongings. Please use caution when you open those overhead bins. Items sometimes shift during flight. If you'd like to use your mobile phones to make a call, you may do so now.
Please hold on. This train is departing. The next stop is for Seagates. C as in Charlie.